Nachini Karigui. Hokiaguga Wahanakshana. Today we're going to be talking about past tense. Telling time using past tense in Ho Chunk. So last week we learned numbers and how to tell time. So this week we thought it would be a good idea to be able to teach you guys how to use that in context, using a couple activities that everybody does every day. So after using the time in Ho Chunk, we will add the suffix regi at the end to indicate that it has already happened. E.g., gichiwi numregi. Okay, so one of the things that I should probably mention is that when we're talking about using time in Ho Chunk, that's typically going to go at the beginning of the sentence. If the verb at the end of the sentence ends with a consonant, we will add the suffix shana at the end of the sentence, the verb. Okay, Ho Chunk sentence structure is typically subject, object, verb, verb, final. The three verbs we will use are HIKI, to wake up, WARUC, to eat, and NA, to sleep. HIKI is the third person form, meaning she or he woke up. To make it first person, it will become yaki, I woke up. Second person is hiraki, you woke up. So once again, that's I, yaki, you, hiraki, she or he, hiki. WARUC is the third person form, meaning she or he ate. Wahach is the first person form, meaning I ate. Warach is the second person for you ate. So once again, there's the verb conjugations at the bottom. I, wahach, you, warach, she or he, WARUC. Na is the third person form, slept or sleeps. Hana is first person. Dana is the second person form. So once again, if you guys see these verbs at the bottom and you guys are taking notes, feel free. It's a good idea to take notes on those verb conjugations. They'll come up again later in the presentation. Okay. So we're going to get a little bit of practice in. I better put this over here. Okay, so top left corner, the clock, 6 o'clock, that's what we're going to be using. And just below that, you see the verb conjugations, so write those down if you want. We're using the verb hiki, to wake up. Okay, and so on the right-hand side, we have 3 practice sentences using those verb conjugations. Again, we're using the verb wake up. So if you want to pause the video now and try to work out those sentences, and then when you're done, press play and we'll see how you did. Remember to use regi after the time, 6 o'clock, okay? So, first sentence, she or he woke up at 6 o'clock. Gichiwi hakewe regi hiki. Gichiwi hakewe regi hiki. Okay, so that's he or she woke up. You could also, if you wanted to, say, put somebody's name in there. Gichiwi hakewe regi hinuga hiki. That would be another option. Next sentence, I woke up at 6 o'clock. Gichiwi hakewe regi yakin. So if you notice, the only thing that's changing is the verb here. Did you wake up at 6 o'clock? Okay, now, second person, when I teach this, I like to use it in the form of a question, because when we're talking to people, a lot of times we ask questions, so that's just the way I do it. Gichiwi hakewe regi hiraki. Gichiwi hakewe regi hiraki. All right. Next verb. Notice the clock is different. It's 1 o'clock this time. We're going to use the verb WARUC, to eat, and underneath the clock is the verb conjugations once again. Now, okay, so we have 3 sentences, but remember to use shana on the verb because this verb ends in a consonant. Ho-chunk likes to end in consonant, or excuse me, in vowels. So that's, I don't know if that's why we add shana, but it's just the way it is. So I'm going to pause the video and try to work out these sentences and tell you when you're done, and we'll see how you did. So the first sentence is, she or he ate at 1 o'clock. She or he ate at 1 o'clock. Gichiwi hijan hiraregi waruchana. Gichiwi hijan hiraregi waruchana. And once again, if you want to put, talk about somebody, you could say Gichiwi hijan hiraregi kunuga waruchana. So that would be kunu ate at 1 o'clock. Okay, next sentence, I ate at 1 o'clock. Gichiwi hijan hiraregi wahachana. Gichiwi hijan hiraregi wahachana. And the final one is a question again, talking about second person form of the verb. Did you eat at 1 o'clock? Gichiwi hijan hiraregi warach. Gichiwi hijan hiraregi warach. And notice I'm asking it as a question, as opposed to a statement. All right. Final verb, na, to sleep. Okay, this one doesn't end in a consonant, so we don't have to add shana. It's 10 o'clock now. And notice underneath the clock is the verb conjugations. So if you want to, once again, pause the video and work out these sentences on paper in your head, and we'll come back and see how you did. All right. First sentence, third person. She went to sleep at 10. She went to sleep at 10. Or she or he. Gichiwi kerepanajaregi na. Gichiwi kerepanajaregi na. I went to sleep at 10. Gichiwi kerepanajaregi hana. Gichiwi kerepanajaregi hana. Okay, question, did you go to sleep at 10? Did you go to sleep at 10? Gichiwi kerepanajaregi rana. Gichiwi kerepanajaregi rana. I forgot the question mark on there, so my apologies for that. Okay, so that's just, putting the time and using everyday activities. So I also used some of the question words on there. So if you are learning with somebody, or you know somebody that knows some Ho-chunk, you can throw some questions at them. There's also other verbs. I didn't want to get into a lot of vocabulary. So there's a lot of information out there. There's more verbs that we'll probably be going over, so you can probably start using those as well. So that's all I have for today. Ani chak chawi.